Bitcoin is about to hit 100k mark. As you can see right now is 99.9k, and if you look at Pi have now turned to a pump and dump token. Look at it, market pump all the way from here and dump. Will this market break this very level? Because if market break this very level, I'll be taking a position all the way to the upside for a buy, and this is very important. And Ethereum for the first time have hit $2,000 in several weeks. Market have been struggling, okay, but right now we've seen $2,000 have been hit and above. What next for the price of Ethereum? Because this market is going to be moving all the way to the upside, and the crypto market capitalization, that is the entire crypto market cap, have increased significantly from 2.9 trillion to 3.11 trillion right here on coin market cap, and the market is still at the neutral position with the fear and greed index. Let's discuss all of this and many more in this very video, so pay attention and watch the video all through. The first thing here is that Bitcoin just hit $100k as at the recording of this very video, which is important information, and this is going to trigger a lot of buy into the market, and market is going to move all the way to the upside. And if you've been following me on this very channel, you know that I've been talking about this very move all the way to the upside on the 1-day chart on Bitcoin, that Bitcoin have capacity moving all the way to the upside, hitting 100k, and that is what we are seeing right now. Look at it right here, market have hit 100k already, which a lot of investors want to see. First of all, a lot of traders want to see, a lot of holders like you and myself, we want to see this kind of optimism come back into the market for the market to move all the way to the upside. And I believe in the next half of this very year is going to be a drastic move in crypto prices, and that is why if you've not taken a position yet, I can guarantee you, you will miss out the big time. The right time to take a position is right now. So where are the points of interest so that we can take a trade on this very price action? Because definitely I want the market to move upward, which the market did. Right now, the point of interest is going to shift together with where we see price action right here. So the first point of interest on this very price action is right at this very area. Okay, this is where we have the first point of interest, and this is the only point I am looking at right now. That means if retracement coming, because as you guys know, I'm a pullback trader and a breakout trader. Okay, so as market move upward and we see a retracement, we're going to take a trade for the market moving upward. Personally, I don't chase price. Okay, I mark out my level and then allow price to come there before taking my position after my confirmation entry is reached, and this is what I'll be waiting for as well on the price of Bitcoin. Even though the price from this very area keep moving all the way to the upside, I will not take a position. I want retracement before the next move all the way to the upside, because chasing price is very, very bad in the market. So this is what we are looking at right now as Bitcoin begin to reclaim back the 100k position, and the global crypto markets have reclaimed the $3.11 trillion market capitalization mark, which is a good thing for the market. And for Pi, if you look at this very area, Pi have become a pump and dump token, and I have raised a lot of concern about this very token several times, and it seems like nothing is going to be done about it very soon. But if you look at it, market is still going to move upward, but not as expected, because in the past few days around this very area, we've seen a lot of Pi token inject into circulation, and I also believe that is the reason why we are seeing a lot of drawback in the price of Pi. So what I am now expecting, since we have this very pump into this very area that I marked out for several days on this very price action, that means market is beginning to have some bullish momentum. Bullish sentiment is coming up on the Pi price chart, and if we see a breakout right at this very point, then I will consider taking a long position or a buy position for the market to move all the way to the upside. So what I want to see next is a breakout right here. I want to see this very candle forming right now, or the market move and break out of this very area with a bullish candle. Okay, once I say that, then I'll be preparing for a buy position, and I will drop all the signal in the Telegram channel. Link to the Telegram channel is in the description of this very video and also in the pinned comment. Join right now. It is a free channel. So this is what I am not paying attention to right now on the price of Pi, and you too pay attention to this to be in the right direction of the market, especially on the price of Bitcoin. One of the important price action that we can't do without here is the ETH chart. So ETH USD price action right here. Once Ethereum begin to have significant move all the way to the upside, we know that a lot of altcoins is going to make significant gain as well as Ethereum begin to hit back. So hitting a $2,000 plus right here is a game changer for Ethereum and a lot of altcoins. What that also translates into is, if you've not buy your favorite altcoins, okay, the one you want to hold for a long time, maybe in 36 months or 1 year period, please, the right time is right now. There is no better time, because I believe strongly market is going to pump hard in the next coming weeks and months, and this will be amazing. So take a position right now and take according to what you can afford to lose after you've done your research. That is Crypto 101. Do your research and risk what you can afford to lose, which is very important. So where should we be expecting retracement? Okay, because since the market breakout on this level of important resistance right here, then a breakout here means market is going to begin to move upward. Because if you look at this very area, we have resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance at this very point, resistance at this very point, resistance here, and the market break with this very candle. Markets have capacity of continue moving upward without coming back into this very area again. Okay, so what I am expecting right now is nothing but a retest for the market to continue upward. So there are important price area that we need to pay attention to. The first one on this very price action is at this very point. Okay, yeah, there is an important point right here. That means if market retrace back down, then market is going to from here move all the way to the upside. And the second point of interest is at this very area. Okay, these are the 2 points I am expecting retracement to come into before I'm going to take a position all the way to the upside. So expect the market to retrace. Okay, market have capacity of moving upward, but within this very area right here, okay, market have capacity of retracing back down before continuation to the upside, or retracing from here all the way to the downside before continuation all the way upward. So this level of $2,100 and 2,000 within this very area, retracement is going to come in and then continuation. The main thing here is that market is going to still continue this very move all the way to the upside despite retracement. So if you are looking for a long position, the best time to buy is right now. I mean, long-term holding, the best time to buy is right now, because market is going to continue moving all the way to the upside despite minor retracement. And this is what I am now expecting on this very price action. So on ETH, expect the market to retrace within the $2,100 level within this very area. And where the market is right now, market is going to retrace into this very area. We will take a long position all the way to the upside for a buy, or market retrace from here into this very area, and then we'll take a long position all the way from this very point all the way upward for a buy as well. This is what you must have to pay attention to if you want to really be in the right direction of the market. The good news here is Bitcoin have reclaimed the $100K mark, which is a very important information as the recording of this very video. And this is going to continue in the next coming days. And if we see retracement, expect retracement to come into this very area before the next move all the way to the upside for a continuation. And that is when I'm going to give a trade on the Telegram channel. This is very important. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.